Passive income can be a terrific method to gradually accumulate wealth and financial security. Here are 5 typical methods for earning passive income. Real estate investments, such as rental properties or real estate investment trusts, AREITs, can provide a consistent stream of rental income or dividends. While property management can be done on your own, you can also hire property management businesses to handle day-to-day operations. Dividend stocks or dividend-focused mutual funds. Invest in dividend-paying equities or dividend-focused mutual funds. These assets give out monthly dividends, which can be used to generate passive income. Reinvesting your dividends can help you build your wealth even faster. Create and sell digital products. If you have experience in a specific subject, think about generating digital products such as ebooks, online courses, stock photographs, or mobile apps. Once developed, these items can produce revenue with little continuous work. Participate in peer-to-peer lending systems by lending money to people or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Before investing, be aware of the hazards and conduct extensive study. Dividend ETFs and bonds. Dividend and bond exchange-traded funds, ETFs, can also provide a constant source of passive income. Bond interest and dividend payouts from these funds can supplement your income. Remember that creating passive income generally takes an initial investment of time, money, and effort. Diversifying your passive income streams can help lower your risk and boost the consistency of your results. Furthermore, in order to make informed investment selections, it is critical to investigate and comprehend the related risks and tax consequences of each income source. Before making large financial investments, always consult with a financial advisor or expert.